Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Toyota RAV-4 CV, stock reference number 4849. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. Two AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left front 17-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left rear 17-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, spare wheel cover faded on the top edge, right hand tail light, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black vinyl center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.